sustainability and net zero is not a side thing. It's everything. It is a tool to be profitable. When you think of how your business makes money, you keep your clients, you get new clients. Well, guess what? Your biggest clients are starting to ask for your greenhouse gas emissions or for your environmental policy. So you could stand to lose them. And then for expenses, there's so many smart business folks in the room that are initiating projects that are actually reducing energy consumption. And that's your bill at the end of the day. Water consumption, waste. I know waste costs money to get off your yard. And then even employees. Employee attrition is super expensive. So at the end of the day, it does come down to profitability. And I'm here to tell you, a couple years into owning my business, it's true. A couple of my customers supply to General Motors or Volkswagen or Google or CDW. These are big companies saying, you can't supply to us next year if you don't have a net zero strategy. Bankers are asking, you can get a cut on bank fees. Investors are asking. I've worked with a client that is selling their business they've had for 40 years, and one of the questions during M&A is, guess what? Environmental sustainability. And then your employees. Man, there's this wicked generation of people in the workforce that want to work for a company with purpose.
Yeah, look, I'm in line with the stars, I'm in sync with the earth. 10 toes deep, flower child from the turf.